Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bong Kitchen. Today I am going to make Kanda Batata Poha, flattened rice with potato and onion. It's like a pulao. This is light and healthy breakfast and easy to make. Poha is a very popular breakfast in Maharashtra. If you like this recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get more notifications. So let's start. I have taken 1 cup thick poha. We have to wash the poha. Wash it very well. We don't need to soak it. Now leave it for 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon sugar. Now mix it properly. Let's heat up the pan. Keep it on medium. I am adding 2 teaspoon oil to fry the peanuts. Here I have taken half tablespoon peanuts. Fry the peanuts till it turns little golden. Okay, let me take out of the pan. Now we'll add half tablespoon oil. Here I have taken half teaspoon urad dal. I have soaked it 10 minutes. Then I dried it. It makes good flavor. When I make poha, I use it. It's optional. First we'll add urad dal. Now I will add potato first, because the onion doesn't take long time to fry. Make sure it is on medium. Fry the potato for 2 minutes, then we'll add the onion. Okay, now we'll add onion. I have taken 1 small size potato and I cut into small pieces. 1 small size chopped onion, 1/4 inch chopped ginger and 2 green chilies. I love ginger flavor in the poha. 12 to 14 pieces curry leaves. Now I will make a space in the center. We'll add very little oil, half teaspoon. Now I am adding half teaspoon cumin seeds and half teaspoon mustard seeds. I didn't add mustard seeds and cumin seeds before because they would have burned. Okay, now mix them together. We will half fry the onion. Potato has fried already and onion has half fried. Now I am adding half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/3 cup frozen green peas, inch of salt. We have already added some salt in the poha. Add fried peanuts. Now add